some that some gums that used to that is supposed to gum together. At times you will see some things inside it.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of We Day Streets. My name is Dr. Awua, also known as Dr. Awua on social media. Today is the 4th anniversary of We Day Streets. Can you imagine? We started 4 years ago in 2021. We started at the beach. In fact, do you remember these videos? How many baby teeth do children have?
I think 74.
What is the hardest substance in the human body? Liver.
Cat, let's go.
What we say nipebu ohonoma tokobi da omosini ntem side ye friend say wo brofo mu gap teeth
Ya minimum no mint.
Woni mo bi a obi
Minibi.
Nipa pi obi
Even my boyfriend cry obi.
boyfriend obi ade ya ofe
Many John.
1 kilogram bag of teeth and 1 kilogram bag of coins. Which one is heavier?
They are both 1 kilogram. Yeah. Me mama bio. I better go sit down.
Ade we who be that? Sir, who enfa?
Me to brush ba na ebi wo.
Are you sure?
Who to brush na ebi wo mu. But who sha ade we your friend is saying?
Me say toothpick.
You have given virus in this school.
When was the last time you visited a dentist?
Hey.
Hey, Abigail.
The teeth, they look familiar.
Very familiar. Celebrity.
Kudus.
Get up. We can share another one.
Delay. These are the delay. Delay. It is a delay.
Exactly.
Wow, it's been so long. Today we are at the beach, Laboma Beach. And Laboma Beach is a home for creatives. If you want to shoot any content, a podcast, a trivia, anything at all, come to Laboma Beach. I'm going to drop their numbers and their social media handles on the screen. Check them out. So in the 4-year anniversary edition, I'm going to give out some lovely goodies. I have a cup here. I have folded some sheets of paper in it. So when you pick it up and you win a gift, I'm going to give you a lovely gift. It could be toothpaste, it could be toothbrush, it could be a shirt, it could be a children's book. It's going to be loads of fun today. Guys, so before we get into the questions, let's interview the marketing manager for Laboma Beach Resort. So who do we have here today?
I'm Carl, the marketing manager for Laboma Beach Resort.
Carl, so what's so special about Laboma Beach? Talk to me.
You don't need to be told. You're here, Dr. Tozik. We are happy to have you here. And I must say, Laboma is like the new place to be, like the go-to beachfront to be at, the cleanest beachfront to be at in Accra. So, and then we are always open to have creatives come around and, explore, be creative. Yeah.
So what exactly is it for the creatives? What facilities do they have access to?
I mean, the water is even a backdrop, and that's a beautiful one. So, yeah, and we have so many vendor spots like Alora, Sea Beach, Pink Flamingo, Le Shrine, and the rest. So, yeah, there are so many backdrops to shoot around here. And we're always open to have creatives come around, Yeah.
All right, guys, you heard it from Carl. All creatives in Ghana, if you want a place to shoot your content, you know where to come to. Laboma Beach Resort. Check it out. Guys, so we have Nanama and Hannah here today. We're going to ask them very simple questions. If they get it correct, they pick something in from my cup, and then we give them a very lovely goodie. You get it? Okay, so Nanama, how many times are we supposed to brush our teeth?
2 times.
Hey, do you agree with her? 2 times. Wait. Hannah, aside brushing off the teeth, what else can we do to protect our mouth or our teeth? Aside the usual using toothbrush to brush our teeth.
Mouthwash.
Do you agree with her? Yeah. Mouthwash. You've got it correct. So you pick something from here. Okay. You can close your eyes and mix and pick something. You like this one? What does it say? Toothpaste. Hey! Brushing book for children. You have children? You have children?
I have
One. Oh, there's your child, boy or girl? Girl. Oh, she will love it. She will love it. And the toothpaste, do you have a child?
I'll use it myself.
Oh, but that's why there's for children. Children's toothpaste. You take it. Okay, we'll give it to you. I have this book for you.
Thank you.
Everybody brushes. It's a book by Nana Ifa Atafwa. So it teaches kids the importance of brushing their teeth. And one a very, very interesting book. You need to give it to your child. She'll really love it. And this is the children's toothpaste that you ate. You need to have a child to give it to the child. You and Sammy can use it. All right, thank you for coming through today. All right, you're welcome. I have Dombili and Awele here. We're going to ask them very simple oral care questions. Charlie, Dombili, when was the last time you visited a dentist?
Well, not quite long, probably 2 weeks ago. But I take good care of my teeth very well. You can see. So I'm I take proper care of my hygiene. I like taking care of my teeth very well. So that I think.
Nice one. Dombili, so I'm going to ask you a question. If you get it right, you pick something from here. In fact, there are two. I'll ask you one question. I'll ask Awele one question. So Dombili, what in our mouth is used to taste food? What thing in our mouth is used to taste food?
But for me, for my own, I feel say, my tongue.
Solid. Do you agree with him?
Yeah.
Are there other functions for the tongue?
Well, I really can't tell, but I think for me, I taste with my tongue. For me, I really don't know. But I've not really done the proper research about it. Okay. But I would say I taste with my tongue.
Okay. Here's a people use the tongue for other things.
You hear them? If you investigate this thing very well.
Nice one. You got it correct. Okay, so Awele, the brush that we use to brush our teeth. Some people say we should use hard brush to brush our teeth. Some people say no, you should use a soft brush. Ideally, what type of brush should you use to brush? Because the hard one too, Charlie, it's hard the hard or the soft? Which one are we supposed to use to brush our teeth?
It's not just the hard or the soft. You understand? Like, I think they have 3 types of brush. The soft one, then the normal, the medium, let me say the medium one, and the hard one. You understand? For me, I'm using the medium one because I don't want the hard brush to, damage my gums and all that. You understand? So the soft one is too soft for my... So I use the medium one.
Do you agree with him?
Yeah. you said you use the medium. Yeah, I'll say I'll go for the medium because I can't be brushing my teeth with a strong sponge. Now. Why?
Since I'm doing it twice a day, you understand, in the morning and night. Yeah. So the medium one.
I'll give it to you. So ideally we should use the soft brush, but if you don't get a soft brush, the medium one too is equally good. But the hard one is a no. The hard one damages your teeth.
Damages the gum.
Exactly. You heard the guy. He said damages what?
The gum.
Exactly. So you can close your eyes and pick one from here. You also pick one. Yes, you can open it. What do I say?
Mouthwash.
Right.
Toothpaste.
Okay, so you're going to get a mouthwash and toothpaste, but the toothpaste is a children's toothpaste. You have kids at home?
I don't have kids.
Oh, your sister's kids or your friend's kids?
Okay, I have my neighbors.
Okay, you get the mouthwash and then you get the toothpaste. So there's the Pepsodent kids toothpaste. So there's the orange variant, very, very, very tasty. And he got a mouthwash so that he can use it. It's a very, very good mouthwash from the States. Nice one. Thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you very much.
Nice one. We have Jaduka from Jamaica. London, New York. So we're going to ask Jaduka some very interesting questions. But before we get into that, Jaduka, how many days or weeks have you been in Ghana for?
Well, I'm going to be here for 2 weeks. A beautiful, beautiful time to spend in this beautiful country. General Jaduka and the Jamaican people love Ghana.
Oh, you love Ghana. Aye. But what do you love about Ghana?
Well, the most important thing for us about Ghana is that we believe that Ghana is imprinted in our DNA. Ghana, we are a part of Ghana. That's where our ancestors come from. And we love Ghana. Yeah.
You love Ghana?
Love Ghana, my brother.
Nice. But before we are done with this, you're going to teach me something from Jamaica.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to ask you 2 easy questions. If you get it right, you're going to pick a sheet from here. I'm going to give you something from my goodie bag.
Okay, sir.
Right, great. So tell me, how many times are you supposed to brush your teeth?
Well, according to some tradition, you're supposed to brush your teeth about minimum 2 times a day.
Morning and evening. You got that right. Aside brushing the teeth, what else do you need to do to keep a very good oral hygiene?
Well, you can do a couple of things, but one of the most important one is flossing. And most dentists will tell you that, and a lot of us struggle with doing that because you see, you have to discipline yourself to do it. So, indeed, yeah, that's a very good question.
Correct. You got that right. That's how I have this shirt on. It says floss is life. Okay. Yeah, we need to be flossing because floss is life. All right, so you can pick a sheet from here.
Okay.
All right. Oh, okay, gotcha.
And
Oh, what does it say?
toothpaste.
You have kids?
Kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, two of them is here with me now.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you have two. I'm going to give you 2 kids toothpaste today.
Yes, sir, that's beautiful.
Nice.
You're doing a wonderful job as well.
Sorry?
You're doing a wonderful job, a very worthwhile job, and I know it's going to be impactful as well. So thank you so very much.
Thank you too. You're having the Pepsodent Kids toothpaste. This is the strawberry variant, and this is the orange variant for your 2 kids.
Oh, this is so good. So kind of you, my dear brother.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome, my brother. All right, take care. Guys, so I have Michael from Washington, D.C., right?
Yes.
Nice. So, Michael, do you like Ghana?
I love Ghana.
You love Ghana. What do you love about Ghana?
I just love the feeling of just being in the motherland.
What do you like about Ghana? The food, the beach, the woman?
I love the food since I've been here.
What's your favorite meal from Ghana?
My favorite meal so far, I had a nice breakfast. I had a pancake, and it was a different pancake that I've ever had before. So I think that was my best experience so far. That's my first meal off the plane. So yeah.
Nice. I'm glad you enjoyed it. So, Michael, tell me, how many times are you supposed to visit the dentist in a year?
Oh, twice a year, every 6 months.
Nice, you got it right. So when was the last time you visited the dentist?
Me, it was I want to say like two weeks ago actually. Yeah.
That's good, perfect. So my last question is it important that we floss our teeth or not?
Yeah, you're supposed to floss after every meal.
Why is it important that we floss our teeth?
Because you don't want the debris from the food that you've ate to cause decay in your teeth.
Gotcha. That's really correct. All right. So you can pick something from here. Right. What does it say?
Brushy book for children.
You have kids?
Yes, I do. I got 4 kids.
Shoo! Wow. How old are they?
5, 10, 14, 19.
This is a perfect gift for them. Yeah. This book is called Everybody Brushes, and it's by Nana Ifa Atakra and Juliet Writer. So she's a dentist and she's a pharmacist. So I think she's from the States and she's also from Ghana. It's a book teaching kids the importance of brushing, why they need to brush and all that. I think your kids will love this. And this is for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I think they'll like it too.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Thanks for coming through. Hi, guys. So I have Umu and Eunice here. And they are here to answer very simple questions regarding to oral health. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Are you also ready?
Yeah.
All right. So, Eunice, can you tell me how often we have to replace our toothbrush?
After every 3 months.
Do you agree with her?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It's not after 1 year.
No, it's after 3 months.
Hey, suppose use it for 1 year or the brush will be looking like a warmer. you agree, Steve? But you got it right. Okay, so the last question is, what active chemical do they put in toothpaste that prevents our teeth from cavities and protects our teeth from acid?
Fluoride.
Hey, what do my deal? Fluoride. She got it right. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So it's fluoride that we put in toothpaste to protect our teeth from tooth decay. So you're going to pick something from here. She also pick something from here. Yeah, you can also pick something. Yes.
Should I open it?
Yes, you can open it. What does it say?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. What about you?
Toothpaste.
Hey, you got toothpaste for all the 2 kids. Hey, I like you. Let me get it. No, just one. Let me pick it for you so you can drop it in. So you won yourself Pepsodent Kids toothpaste. This is the orange variant. And this is the strawberry variant for the kids. I'm here with Gina, Clement, and Little Kofi. Okay. So I'm going to ask you very simple oral care questions. Once you get it right, you pick something from here and you can give it to Kofi. All right. So tell me, which part of the tooth is visible above the gum line? What do you think it is? Is it the roots? Is it the crown? Is it what?
The crown.
The crown. Do you believe?
Yeah.
Yeah. She got it right. Great. Nice one. So Clement, why is it important that we brush our teeth before we go to bed?
Yeah, to remove the food particles in our mouth.
Gina, do you agree with him?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Sure. All right. You got it right. Both are okay. So Clement, you're going to pick something from here, and then you like coffee. Pick something from here. Pick one, and open it, and tell me what it says. Coffee, come to me. Coffee, what does it say?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Good job. Kofi, you've won yourself Pepsodent Kids toothpaste. Strawberry. Do you like strawberry?
Yes.
Yes, you like it. So this one is for you. Use it to brush your teeth, okay? Well done. So guys, I have two beautiful ladies on my left and right. I have Mimi and Maha. Mimi and Maha, are you enjoying the beach today?
Oh yeah.
You are. What do you love about the beach?
The whole vibe and also the water. I think that's the main point.
Yeah, water baby. Yeah.
Yes, please.
I see. You also love the beach?
Yes.
What do you love about the beach?
Oh, the vibe, everything. You see, we are just having fun. We're just here to relax and all that.
Nice one. Me too. I'm here to ask you questions. If you get the questions right, you pick something from here. I'll give you something from my goodie bag. Right. Okay, so tell me, whenever you have plaque, you see plaque, those yellow things that form on people's teeth, and you don't do anything about it, it turns into something else. What does it turn into?
It turns into tatters.
Yeah, she got it right. It turns into tartar. And that tartar is very, very bad. You need to go and see your dentist to have it clean. Great. So my other question to Mimi, bad breath can be a sign of bad oral hygiene. True or false?
True.
Do you agree with her?
Most
definitely. Yeah, she had it right. So what I'm going to do is they're going to pick something from here and I'll give it to you from my goodie bag. So you first. You can pick one. Shake it. Yes. What does it say?
A toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Okay, what does yours say?
Manual toothbrush.
A manual toothbrush. Okay. Do you have kids?
No.
You don't have kids. Oh, this toothpaste. Yeah, kid. This toothpaste is actually for kids. So if I give it to you, you have to find a kid and give it to the kid. That's good. And the toothbrush, the adult toothbrush, I'll get that for you. So you have the Pepsodent Kids toothpaste. This is a strawberry variant. And you have a toothbrush too here. Great. Thank you for coming through.
Thank you very much.
All right. I have Pamela, V, and Edubia here. I'm going to ask them very simple oral health questions. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Hey, as a Vimni Niho. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
We are sure.
Fine.
As a home popo kakrao.
Davi.
No defender.
Davi.
All right. Great. So, V, can you tell me how often are we supposed to change our toothbrush? Because I both say that, you change it every year. Somebody said every 1 week. Obi said every 2 years. Or you see, so tell me, how often are we supposed to change our toothbrush?
3 months. Every 3 months. It's to change your toothbrush every 3 months.
Do you agree with it?
Yes, please.
Hey, Mijidio, 3 months. Yeah, you got it right. All right. So, Edibia, can you tell me what's the protective layer on our tooth? There's this part of the tooth that protects the tooth wall. What's it called?
Okay, that's the enamel.
Hey, enamel. Pamela, do you agree?
Yes, please.
The enamel. Yes, you got it right. So, what I'm going to do is that one person amongst you will pick a sheet from here, we'll check it, and we'll give you something from the goodie bag. All right? Okay. So, would it be you? Okay. All right. What does it say? Mouthwash. Hey, y'all want a mouthwash. Y'all want this Thoroughbred Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. Yes, that's for you.
Thank
Great.
you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for passing through. Professor, are you ready, Anna?
My hair ready.
Hey, where sure?
Very sure.
Any challenger?
No challenger.
Hey, right. So, Professor, 2 simple questions. Once you get it right, you pick something from here. I'll give you something from my goodie bag. Gotcha. So, Professor, tell me, how many minutes are you supposed to brush your teeth for? Some people say, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If you can 1 hour, cannot about to make chicken is you. And so, can you tell us the correct answer? How many minutes are we supposed to brush your teeth for?
2 minutes.
Hey, 2 minutes. Yes, I agree with you. You got it right. So, my other question to you is that aside brushing the teeth, what other thing can we do to take good care of our teeth? Some people, they said it's only brushing, they have to brush their teeth, but there are other things you can do. Can I mention just one more thing?
You can use the mouthwash.
Yes. You can also use the mouthwash. Great. So you can pick something from here. Yes. Tell me, what does it say?
Mouthwash.
Hey, mouthwash. You got a mouthwash. Yeah. Congratulations. Let me get it for you. All right, Professor. So you got this mouthwash, Thoroughbred mouthwash. It's for you. Well done. You did very well. I have a beautiful lady next to me, Joycelyn. I'm going to ask you very simple questions. Do you know things about your oral health?
Yes, I do.
Hey, ask only my dear pal.
Yes, students.
Students, what are you doing in school?
General nursing.
Sorry?
General nursing.
General nursing. Only my dear. Okay, Joycelyn. So Joycelyn, tell me, how many times are we supposed to replace our brush? Some people say that, oh, every 6 months, every 1 year. We don't create a new brush every 2 years. So I want you to tell people the correct answer. How many times are we supposed to change our toothbrush?
I think every 3 months.
Yes. Every 3 months. You got it right. So the next question is that, wait, do you know about fluoride?
Yes, I.
You've heard about fluoride. They write it on toothpaste in the ingredients. You've seen it before. So, Joycelyn, can you tell me what fluoride does for us when we use fluoride toothpaste to brush our teeth? What does it do for us?
I think it makes our teeth stronger.
Yes, I agree with you. It makes our teeth stronger and it protects our teeth from acid attack whenever we eat sugary things. You got it right. Well done. So pick something from here. I'll give you something from my goodie bag. What does it say?
Mouthwash.
Hey, you also want a mouthwash. Congratulations, I'm going to get you a mouthwash. So Joycelyn, you won yourself an oral rinse, also known as a mouthwash. You like it?
Yes, I like it.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you so much for coming through. Today, I have with me God's Time. God's Time, how are you doing?
I'm cool.
You like the breeze coming from the beach?
Yes, of course. I like
Very, very lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, so God's Time, I'm going to ask you 2 simple questions. Once you get it right, you pick something from here. I'll give you something from my goodie bag. Sounds good?
Yeah. I'm okay.
Very necessary. Great. So, God's Time, can you tell me why is it important that you go and see a dentist for checkup?
Yeah, why it's important is that because when you are growing old, so you begin to have teeth pains. But now that you are young, you need to go and find out if you are having such thing in your teeth, because there is some gums that is supposed to gum together. At times you will see some things inside it, and to begin to eat that inside it, before you know, you begin to have teeth pains. That is, I don't know what the English people call, but whether it's earth worm.
Hey, Abigail.
It will begin to walk in your teeth.
It will walk in the
yes.
teeth.
That is what brought the teeth pains. It will be moving in your teeth. That is eating up that place. Before you know, you begin to have holes inside it. So that is why it is necessary. At times, our Nigerian people will use herbal medicine. Understand? We use lemon. You put there. At times you use spirit to put it there in order to kill the germs. Yeah, so that it will not affect you during the old age. So you can be able to eat meat and other things.
Oh, good. Very, very necessary. Good. So can you also tell me how many teeth do adult human beings have?
Yeah, we have 32 teeth.
32? Only 32?
Yeah.
You did very well. Yeah. I'm going to let you select something from here.
Alright.
Select something. Pick a sheet from here.
Alright.
Open it. What does it say?
Toothpaste.
This is Pepsodent toothpaste, but this one is for kids. So you can give it to any child at all. You can even see some children here. You can even give it to them. So guys, I have a beautiful girl next to me. Stephanie, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Stephanie, I like your hair.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, Stephanie, what do you do?
I'm a senior assistant at KPMG in Amsterdam. I just came here on holiday, so to take all the stress away.
Very necessary. But are you enjoying the beach, Ghana?
Yes.
What do you like about Ghana?
Everything, the people, Ghanaians, the food.
Hey, did I hear food?
Yes, of course, I'm a foodie.
What's your favorite food here in Ghana?
Deho.
Deho, aka TZ.
TZ.
Nice one. So Stephanie, I'm going to ask you 2 simple questions regarding your oral health. I'll let you pick something from my cup and I'm going to give you something from my goodie bag. Sounds good?
Okay, let's do it.
Nice one. So Stephanie, some people say that bad breath is a sign of poor oral hygiene. True or false? You agree with them?
True.
Yeah, I also agree with you. It's a sign of bad oral hygiene. That's why it's important that we go see our dentist every 6 months. And aside that, why is it important that we go see our dentist, Stephanie?
For me, for your personal hygiene and everything, and for fresh breath to be just like, you cannot talk to somebody with a bad breath. It's bad. So just go and see the dentist every 6 months. Yes. Yes.
So, someone say yeah, every 6 months. Bosu means yeah, right. All right. So Stephanie, you can pick something from here. Okay, you can open it. What does it say?
Mouthwash.
Mouthwash. I'm going to get you a lovely mouthwash. Let me get that for you. So Stephanie, you got this thoroughbred mouthwash. It's for you. Use it as you want it. Thank you for coming through today. All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So guys, I have a beautiful lady with me. Laurentia, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. Are you enjoying the beach today?
Well, yeah. It gets colder as the time goes by, so yeah.
But how often do you come to the beach?
Okay, once in a while. I mean, from last year, I think this is my first time coming in this year. Yeah.
Right, gotcha. So, Laurentia, I'm going to ask you very simple oral care questions. Once you get it right, I'm going to give you a very lovely gift for my goodie bag. Sounds good?
Okay.
Nice one. So, Laurentia, tell me, sometimes you have this sticky film that forms on our teeth. Sometimes when you don't brush your teeth for some few hours, you find a sticky film on our teeth. What do you call that sticky film? It's made of gems. What do you call it?
The plaque.
Yes, you got it right. It's called plaque. Hey, what do you mind? Yes, plaque. It's plaque. Good. And also, how often do you have to replace our toothbrush? Some people say every 6 months. Some people say every 1 year. Some people they use one brush for 5 years. They've never changed it before. And you see the brush a hollow, very horrific. But you're going to tell us the correct answer. How many times are we supposed to change our toothbrush?
Okay, for a healthy person, my advice to you is to change your brush every 3 to 4 months. Yeah.
Great. That's correct. So you change it every 3 to 4 months. So I'll allow you to pick something from here for my cup, and then we'll check my goodie bag for it. So I can shake it small for you. You can even pick the one under. You never know what you get.
Okay.
Wow, Wolo. You can open it. Yo, you won yourself a tongue scraper. Wow. How do you feel?
Well, let's see how that goes.
But you use a tongue scraper often?
No, I use my brush.
Okay, then I think this will be a very good addition to your stuff. You want yourself a tongue scraper. So this is what we call a tongue scraper. You need to clean the content of your tongue when you're done brushing your teeth. So this is for you. You're welcome. Thanks for participating. So guys, I have with me Mesa. Mesa, how you doing?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
I'm doing great. Mesa, you have a pack of cards. You do magic.
Oh no.
Why not?
It's just for fun. I just play with my friends just now. Yeah.
All right, gotcha. So, Mesa, I'm going to ask you simple oral care questions. Very simple. If you get it right, I'm going to let you pick something from here. I'm going to give you some gifts from my goodie bag. Sounds good?
Yeah, sounds good. I'm ready.
Nice one. So, Mesa, the type of brush we use to brush our teeth. Some people say we have to use hard brush to brush our teeth. Some people say we use soft brush. But ideally, which one are you supposed to use? The hard one or the soft one?
Well, I think maybe if you pick between the soft and the hard one, maybe like a medium hardness. Yeah, I think that one it will be good for the gum. We'll be able to clean the teeth as well. Yeah.
That's correct. So we are not supposed to use a hard brush. We're supposed to use either a soft brush. If you can get a soft brush, good. But if you don't get a soft brush, the medium one too is equally good. Great. Awesome. Got it correct. So the other question I want to ask you is that how many times are we supposed to brush our teeth in a day?
Well, ideally, you're supposed to brush twice. But I think if you eat something during the day and you feel you need to go again, yeah, you should feel free. I don't think there's a specific number that we should go for. If you want to do it twice, that's fine. If you want to do it more than twice, it's fine. But if you want to do it just one time, then that's where we have an issue. Yeah.
You got it right. Well done. So pick something from here. What does it say?
Manual toothbrush.
Okay, so Mesa, you won yourself a manual toothbrush.
What?
That's for you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So guys, I have with me Paul. Paul, how you doing?
I'm great. Yourself?
I'm doing great. Paul, how often do you come to the beach?
Is it?
How often do you come to the beach?
Most of the times weekends, Saturdays and Sundays.
You enjoy the beach a lot, eh?
Exactly, man. Yeah, I do like enjoyment, sociable. That's why each and every time I want to be at the beach.
Nice one. So Paul, can you tell me, I'm going to ask you some few questions. Once you get it right, you pick something from my cup and I'll give you something from my goodie bag. Sounds good?
I got you, bro.
Gotcha. So tell me, Paul, how many minutes are you supposed to brush our teeth for?
how many minutes? It depends on the person that is going to brush the teeth. Some 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Others can keep long. It depends on you. Yeah. When maybe a child like those kids, most of the time they don't brush their teeth for a long period of time. But maybe for us, yeah, maybe some things of food and a lot of time we used to brush our teeth for a very long time of period. But it depends. It doesn't have any duration or time. Yeah.
But ideally, dentists want you to brush your teeth for a specific number of time period. Do you happen to know that?
Maybe I can guess, but I'm not sure anyway. Okay, I can say 5 minutes.
5 minutes, there's a lot. We are looking at around 2 minutes, but that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. And also tell me, what types of foods or drinks are bad for our teeth?
Okay, like toffees. Yeah, toffees are bad for our teeth because sometimes it stinks and it's made up of colors. Yeah, which does not help our dental and our teeth and our health as well. Yeah, and maybe the soft drinks which have a lot of caffeine in them. Yeah, a whole lot.
That's just true. So when these foods have a lot of sugar, and what happens is that the germs in our mouth eat the sugar and they produce acids and they damage our teeth. Oh, okay. Yeah, good job. So you can pick something from here.
All right.
What does it say?
Toothpaste.
Okay, so you've got yourself children's toothpaste. You have kids?
Yes.
Yeah? You have kids?
No, I have siblings, but
okay. They're kids, okay. So you want yourself Pepsodent Kids toothpaste, the strawberry variant.
Okay.
So you can give this to your siblings.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for participating.
Okay. Thanks you as well.